Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block Facebook on TikTok. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide on this topic, that is blocking Facebook on TikTok. Make sure you watch till the end to learn everything about this. So first of all, navigate to TikTok application on your mobile phone. Now after navigating to TikTok on your mobile phone, you're going to see different reels. Here you're going to click on the search icon at the top right side of the screen. After click on search icon at the top right side, search for Facebook. So type in Facebook in the search bar and search for Facebook. Now click on this ID that says Facebook under users and it will show up this page. Here you're going to simply click on the share icon at the top right side of the screen. When you click on this share icon, it will show up this page. Here you're simply going to click on the block option just after report. When you click on block, it will show this message that will say they will not be able to send you messages, see your posts or find your profile. This does not include extended scenarios such as multi-host live streams, duet posted by others or group chats that you both participate in. So click on block option just right here. Now Facebook will be instantly blocked on your TikTok. So that was the simple way through which you can block Facebook on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.